All right. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. We have seen previous class. We have seen the speed of a flux. What is this? Do you remember? What was this? Speed of a flux is nothing but a fluid outflow from the orifice in the container, and this speed is same as of freely falling object under root 2 GH, provided area of cross section is narrow for the whole. तो ये हमने बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन से प्रूव किया using continuity equation and Bernoulli's equation. First we got this, then we got this. एक रिलेशन देखो आपको ये भी है, this one also useful relation, and finally we get this. This is called Torricelli's law or velocity of a flux, and it is independent of the density of the fluid, you know, whether it is the river water or sea water. Sometimes they confuse you by giving you first sea water, river water is replaced by the sea water. What is the effect? No effect, because density term is not there. It purely depends upon the height. And also condition क्या था, ideal flow होना चाहिए. There should not be no viscosity, no viscous losses. Got it? तो ये आपका end result था. Derivation can be asked. Now we can do the numericals and then we can see the further topics. तो देखो इसका न्यूमेरिकल इस पहले इसका भी एक बार न्यूमेरिकल आया. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दैट. देखो, कैन यू सी दिस? कैन यू गो थ्रू फास्ट एंड टेल मी हाउ टू डू दिस? Total height is given. Small hole of area A is punched in the wall of the container at the height 52.5 centimeter from the bottom. H कितना लिखेंगे? Whether this one or something else. H will be how much? H क्या था उसमें? In this first relation or second relation, H was what?
Sir, I think it will be the
It is
total.
the depth of the hole from the top surface.
Yes,
तो
sir.
ये आपको 3 दिया है और ये आपको कुछ दिया है 52 सेंटीमीटर, तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया दिया हुआ है. क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज ए, दोनों का रेशियो दिया है, वी स्क्वायर पूछा है. वी कैन पुट द एच पहले निकाल लिया माइनस करके. 3 में से दिस मच सेंटीमीटर में था, मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया. फर्स्ट रिलेशन में पुट कर दिया ये सब वैल्यूज. इट इज कमिंग 50. Since it is asked velocity square, therefore unit will be meter square per second square. Because this is competitive examination, they don't want you to do all this under root and all. Calculation should be fast. Therefore, they have asked the v square, not the v. अगर v पूछते तो it would have been 7 point something, close to 7, है ना? 7.0 something, है ना? Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
This formula we are using. Square पूछा है, so we have done this. Now most of the time they don't give you this ratio. It means whole area is very, very small. Then we can use the formula v is equal to under root of 2gh. This is generally used. This is rarely asked, but both we should know. ठीक है? तो velocity of a flux का question ये है. I have shown you the solution also. There should not be any problem. Calculation should be practiced. Any difficulty? बोलिए. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Rate of flow in this question they are given you rate of flow same है ना. Rate of flow का formula याद है? Q1 which is A into V and V will be under root of 2GH. Like this it can be solved. So we are not solving this, and horizontal range and all they can ask. In that we use the kinematic equation. Velocity का पता है, 2 horizontal projectile जो सीखा था उससे कर सकते हैं. So these questions we can skip that questions and move on to the next topic. Next topic is Venturi meter. Next topic is Venturi meter. Let's see what is this. Venturi meter is the device to measure the speed of flow speed of incompressible fluid. Flow speed निकालने के लिए suppose ये this certain pipe is there, उसमें liquid is flowing, तो कितनी speed है उसमें, तो we have to connect this Venturi meter in that pipe, है ना, ऐसे connect करना पड़ेगा, which is tube of non-uniform cross section. ऐसा. Here the area of cross section is A. Here it is narrow area of cross section, small a. Now because of the velocity differences, यहाँ पे velocity fast है narrow area में, because of continuity equation. Velocity is fast, pressure will be less. यहाँ पे velocity slow है, pressure will be more. So this side liquid will push the liquid of container, liquid of U-tube, and यहाँ पे pressure कम है तो it will go up. So there will be the level difference. यहाँ पे pressure is more because flow velocity is less. So this side pressure is more. Liquid in U-tube will be pressed down, और यहाँ पे pressure कम, it will be going up. So there will be the pressure height difference because of pressure difference in the Venturi meter. So it consists of tube with a broad diameter and a small diameter, small contraction. Small diameter you can write at the middle as shown. Manometer is in the form of U-tube is attached here. ये manometer है. Contains liquid of density rho m. M stands for manometer. Rho is the density. तो rho m is the density of liquid in manometer. और इसमें जो flow हो रहा है उसकी density कितनी है? Rho है. It may be water or any other liquid. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया introduction. Now we can use the continuity equation and Bernoulli's equation, similar to the previous topic. Previous topic में भी हम लोगों ने what we did, continuity equation and Bernoulli's equation we use. So we can do that. We can use the Bernoulli's and continuity equation. ठीक है? So let's get the velocity. Either you get the velocity here or you get the velocity here. That is what is the purpose of venturimeter. And in fluid engineering, in refineries and all, they need all this. How much flow is there? And they have to monitor in aeroplane also how much speed of the aeroplane is there. It is done by the venturimeter. Getting? So Bernoulli's and equations and continuity equation लगा के हम velocity of a flux जैसे किया था, similar to that we can do it here. So let's do. देखो, V1 is the velocity of liquid at broad area, broad neck area ना यहाँ पर. एक मिनट थोड़ा सा मैं और ऊपर shift कर दूँ. Let me shift it some more. Shift हाँ. देखो, यहाँ पर velocity V1 है. Can you see? This is the velocity V1. And A be the area of that at constriction, यहाँ पे area कम है, velocity is V2, that will be A upon A into V1 from Bernoulli, from continuity equation. From ठीक है. Now using the Bernoulli's equation, P1. Now we will use the Bernoulli's equation. P1 plus half rho V1 square is equal to P2 plus half rho V2. V2 square था तो V2 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी हमने यहाँ पर. ये वैल्यू पुट कर दी, V2 की इधर स्क्वायर हो गया. बोथ द टर्म्स आर स्क्वायर. V1 को इधर शिफ्ट कर दो, नहीं P2 को इधर शिफ्ट कर दो और ये वाला टर्म इधर ले आओ. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो व्हाट वी गेट. यहाँ पर एक रिलेशन ये भी हम लिख लेंगे. फ्रॉम हियर what we get here is one more relation. P1 minus P2, pressure difference at two places, divide by, अच्छा 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा, divide by A whole square minus 1. तो एक रिलेशन ये है. एंड फर्दर सॉल्विंग P1 minus P2, ये जो प्रेशर डिफरेंस है यहाँ पर, that will come from this height difference rho GH. प्रेशर डिफरेंस का फॉर्मूला होता है rho GH. प्रेशर वेरिएशन वी हैव डन इट. यस सर नो?
Yes, sir.
प्रेशर वेरिएशन का डेरिवेशन किया है rho GH. तो यहाँ पे rho GH पुट कर दिया. रो किसका है? मैनोमीटर के लिक्विड का rho m. तो we get this relation also, we get this relation also. So both are there. If pressure difference is directly given, so we can use this. If this height difference is given, we can use this. So that's how venturimeter can be used to measure the speed, and it can also measure the rate of flow. Q भी निकाल सकते हैं, A into V1. यहाँ पे area of cross section is known, you put it. How much rate of flow is there? That can also be done with by multiplying with the area of cross section there. So that's how it works. बट न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए आपको डेरिवेशन याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए you use the Bernoulli's continuity equation and Bernoulli's equation. That's all. If you forget this end relation. All right, there is one question, solved example based on this formula. We can do it if you note down first. What is the purpose? Venturimeter का purpose क्या है?
Sir, to measure the flow speed of the incompressible fluid.
Okay. Yes, and also it is used in aeroplane to measure the speed of aeroplane also. वहाँ भी use करते हैं, but it is not written in our book, so we are just restricting this much only to whatever is given in our textbook. All right. ओके, इसका न्यूमेरिकल देखिए ये वाला शॉर्ट एग्जांपल है. ब्लड वेलोसिटी is to be found out in the here. You can read the question. Flow of the blood in the large artery of the anesthetist. How do we read it? Anesthetized dog is diverted through the ventrimeter. The wider part of the meter has cross-section area this much and narrow part has cross-section area this much. Pressure drop is given. Pressure drop is directly given P1 minus P2. है ना? तो we can put in this formula. ये जो हमने पहला वाला formula था ना, ये they use the formula here without writing the formula. P1 minus P2 is 24 Pascal is given and rho is given. Rho you have to take it from the table. जो ह्यूमन ब्लड का लिखा है वही आई थिंक दे आर यूज्ड फॉर द एनिमल ब्लड आल्सो दिस मच and a by a is given 2. 8 by 4 will be 2 minus 1. If you solve it, this much is the speed coming. Formula ये first वाला use किया. Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you show the derivation for the venturimeter ones?
Yes. So this you can note down this first formula. Otherwise you will ask sir ये कहाँ से आ गया ना? How did we use? They have written directly. So use this formula. Note down this formula. Otherwise things are very clear. एक मिनट इसको मैं रब कर देता हूँ. Just let me write the formula here again. V1 is 2P1 minus P2 upon rho A by A whole square minus 1. So the first one formula. बाद में प्रेशर डिफरेंस की वैल्यू भी पुट कर दी थी हमने. ठीक है. तो दिस फार्मूला दे यूज फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस वन. ठीक है. Sometimes they ask this also. What is venturimeter? How it is used to measure the speed? Derive the relation. So this also you should know. But velocity of efflux is more important, very important. They are generally asking that. ठीक है.
Done, sir.
All right. This was your venturimeter. एक क्वेश्चन और देखो ये. This is the question of our textbook. Let's see. Question number 15. Figure A and B refers the steady flow of non-viscous liquid आइडियल फ्लो है, which of the two figures is incorrect and why? Whether this is incorrect or this is incorrect, or both are incorrect or both are correct, and you have to justify. What is the difference between both? आपको डायग्राम में कोई डिफरेंस नजर आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. So the first one says that the pressure at a normal point is less.
No pressure,
Like that?
it they doesn't indicate about the pressure. यहाँ पर हाइट दिखा रहा है
Yes, sir. So
और यहाँ पर हाइट, यहाँ पे हाइट कम और here height more है ना. Whereas this is more, this is less है ना. Okay, you are relating height with the pressure. Okay, ठीक है, बताइए. What do you want to
So-
say?
technically
Yeah.
speaking, I guess A will be right.
A will be right. And what about non-technically speaking?
I knew, sir, you were going to ask that.
Hmm. Anybody else? You told pressure. Pressure कहाँ पर more होता है, कहाँ पे less होता है, बताइए. Pressure, when the flow speed decreases, pressure increases. We know this.
Yes, sir.
P plus half rho V square is equal to constant. तो V कहाँ पर more होगा? यहाँ पर.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर प्रेशर कम होगा. प्रेशर कम होगा तो लेस क्लाइम करेगा. तो दिस वन इज मैचिंग. यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी इज मोर, प्रेशर इज लेस, तो लेस क्लाइम करेगा. यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी इज लेस, प्रेशर विल बी मोर हियर, तो मोर क्लाइम करेगा. तो बी इज करेक्ट सिंस from Bernoulli's equation. P plus half rho V square. Velocity and continuity equation also. And continuity from B and C equation. AV is equal to constant. So first point, यहाँ पर velocity, area cross section is more, velocity is less. यहाँ पे velocity less है तो pressure is more, therefore more climbing. Got it? किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे देखो, इसको यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ पे प्रेशर मोर था, therefore this liquid, blue liquid could press the gray liquid more. वेलोसिटी लेस है, प्रेशर ज्यादा है, उसको ज्यादा प्रेस किया उसने. यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी वाज मोर, प्रेशर वाज लेस, इट कुड, प्रेशर इज लेस, तो यहाँ से लेवल डिफरेंस कम्स लाइक दिस. तो ये यहाँ पे प्रेशर ज्यादा है, तो इसलिए द blue liquid which was flowing in the tube could press more harder here. इसको टर्न करके देखो, इसको ऐसे लगा दो पाइप. If you put the pipe like this, it will climb more here, and it will climb less. This can also be, this is also called venturimeter only. This is also venturimeter. यहाँ पे जो difference आएगा, H will be there. यहाँ से pressure difference आ जाएगा, H rho G. So this we can use it for the liquid, and this we can use it for the gases. Gases में क्या है? Close होना चाहिए, नहीं तो leak हो जाएंगी gases. So for liquid we can use open tube manometer. Liquid flow हो रहा है तो यूज कर सकते हैं ये वाला, ये सिस्टम. तो लेवल डिफरेंस देख के प्रेशर डिफरेंस पता लग जाएगा. बट दैट कैन बी यूज फॉर बोथ. क्लोज वाला लिक्विड एंड गैसेस दोनों के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, बट ये ओनली फॉर लिक्विड. गैसेस विल एस्केप फ्रॉम द ओपन पाइप. ठीक है, So this is also nothing but a manometer only. Venturimeter, it connects as a venturimeter. All right, चलो फिर आगे देखते हैं. तो B is correct. Other examples of Bernoulli's equation are और the spray guns. कैसे काम करते हैं ये पुराने वाले स्प्रे गन देखे होंगे आप लोग. वेरी ओल्ड स्प्रे गन्स विच वी यूज्ड टू यूज. देखो यहाँ से जब हम इसको, ये जो हैंडल है इसको जब विल पुल इनसाइड, तो यहाँ पर एयर विल रश इनसाइड, यहाँ पे प्रेशर विल बी डिक्रीजिंग, तो लिक्विड विल क्लाइम हियर और यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. व्हेन वी पुश द पिस्टन आउटवर्ड, ये जो लिक्विड है यहाँ पर, इट विल बी जस्ट कमिंग आउट. और यहाँ भी जब यहाँ पे फिर से स्पीड मोर है तो ये वाला भी लिक्विड यहाँ से भी क्लाइम करेगा, इसमें जो इकट्ठा हो गया है वो भी बाहर निकलेगा और यहाँ से भी क्लाइम करेगा. बिकॉज अगेन एयर इज रशिंग आउट, प्रेशर इज लेस हियर. एयर यहाँ से रश आउट और प्रेशर लेस है. यहाँ पे 1 एटमॉस्फेयर इज एक्टिंग, यहाँ पे स्टिल 1 एटमॉस्फेयर इज एक्टिंग. यहाँ से जब अंदर जाएगी तो यहाँ पे लेस देन 1 एटमॉस्फेयर हो जाएगा. तो बिकॉज ऑफ एयर रशिंग इन एंड रशिंग आउट, pressure at these points will be less than atmospheric pressure. The liquid in the container will climb here in both cases, and it will be spread out because of Bernoulli's equation. It works. Getting or not? So many examples are there. You can go through one by one these situations. ठीक है, this is one example. What's written here? The piston forces air at the high speed, causing a lowering of pressure at the neck of the container. यहाँ पर तो इससे क्या होगा, ये क्लाइम कर जाता है. Initially also when you pull it inward, then also it climbs. They are not shown in the diagram. And similar to that blood flow and heart attack. तो जो vessels होती है, blood vessels, because of that block is there. block partially block होती है, यहाँ से blood rushes with the high speed, तो pressure decrease हो जाता है. external pressure जो है further closes the gap. ऐसे देखो ये blood vessels है, because of the partial blockage, so speed of the blood increases here, pressure inside decreases, heart is pumping at some pressure, decreases, so outside pressure will collapse it, will further press it. So that leads to the heart attack. So you can go through your textbook, all these examples, you can read it. Blockage होने से venturimeter and your Bernoulli's equations comes into action. Pressure decreases, velocity increases, pressure decreases. That external pressure leads to the further collapse, further closing of that gap. Okay. So you can read all the examples and explanation. Here you just listen and you can just go through your textbook. Okay. And dynamic lift I will explain you in detail. Dynamic lift is one that is acting in the aeroplane and in the moving and turning balls swing होती है. So let's see what is this. Dynamic lift is the force that acts on the body, such as aeroplane wings, spinning ball, by virtue of its motion through the fluid, which can be explained by the Bernoulli's equation. So the one by one we are explaining. So dynamic lift is when the aeroplane is moving or ball is spinning and moving in the air, there is the pressure difference across it. Can produce the dynamic lift or dynamic fall also. दोनों कर सकते हैं. Aeroplane में lift चाहिए और spinning ball में fall चाहिए, quick fall. For example, in case of tennis and table tennis and lawn tennis also. तो वहां पर both the pressure difference, velocity difference causes the pressure difference. So let's see one by one. Ball moving without spin. देखो यहाँ पे diagram देखिए. There is the ball. Here is the ball. है ना? ये आपकी ball है. Can you see it? Which color do you want? ये ball है आपकी. Can you see? So it is moving. It is moving with the certain velocity v, and then air layers and the air particles, they are going like this, both symmetric, and it will naturally fall due to gravity. It will come down according to the gravitational force. Now in second diagram, it is turning also. Second diagram, it is spinning also, turn or is clockwise turning. So this side air will be rushing faster. Air, it is moving also, moving forward also, and turning also. तो यहाँ पर जो देखो यू सी ये टर्निंग इधर हो रही, तो ये वाली एयर तो फास्ट हो जाएगी, v2 विल बी ग्रेटर, और ये एयर ऐसे जा रही है और दिस इज टर्निंग लाइक दिस, तो अपोज करेगी वो. टर्निंग ऑफ बॉल विल अपोज द एयर लेयर्स. दिस v1 विल बी स्लो डाउन because of turning. v1 slow है, v1 is less and v2 is more because these layers will be pushed this side. So now v2 is faster, v2 faster, तो प्रेशर यहाँ पर कम हो जाएगा, pressure will drop, v2 increases, pressure decreases. So in place of going like this, it will dip faster, जैसे dipping हो जाएगी. That's what is done in the table tennis game. टेनिस से I mean बैट से उसको रैकेट या फिर बैट उससे टर्निंग एक्शन देते हैं, तो नेट के पास फास्ट डिपिंग होती है, so that opponent cannot return it. In case of table tennis also, in table tennis it is done more. Lawn tennis also. In golf also, golf में आके golf में ऐसे अपोजिट टर्न दिया जाता है गोल्फ बॉल, तो वो अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी इट हाइड्स फर्दर. So whenever spinning is even in the cricket also, one side is shining, other is rough. Shining side से ball, the air moves faster, so therefore pressure difference comes and it swings in the air. So this swing in the air is called that the pressure difference, due to pressure difference it turns in one direction, is called Magnus effect. Scientist का नाम है. He was the person to note the effect and explain it properly with the help of Bernoulli's equation. Got it? बोलो इसको समझ में आया? टर्निंग से क्या होता है? प्रेशर डिफरेंस होता है, वेलोसिटी डिफरेंस आता है, उससे प्रेशर डिफरेंस आता है. That produces the pressure difference that changes the path, its path. उसका पाथ जो है ग्रेविटी से जितने चेंज हो रहा है उससे अलग चेंज करता है, उससे डिफरेंट है ना. Gravity, because of gravity it was falling like this, but because of this turning action it is falling faster because of the pressure difference also coming into action apart from the gravity. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
We'll see the aeroplane का lift कैसे मिलता है. That is more interesting than this explanation. मतलब explanation same रहेगा ऐसा, but we'll understand that all the points one by one. I think we have to break and again rejoin.
Yes, sir, like 4 seconds.